because I love the princess very much. Oh, I should kill you now. I kill you now. I am not scared you. Now the giant with the white monkey, they start to fight. It is very hard to kill the giant Rahwana, and the Prince Rama come to help Hanuman, and the prince used his weapon. It's called Gwawijaya. Rahwana, I'm coming here. I'm sorry, I have to kill you now. I'm not scare you. The giant just killed by Rama, and the white monkey Hanuman come back with the mountains. Now the giant buried with the mountains by Hanuman. Oh, thank you so very much, Rama. You are my hero. Okay, Sita, I'm happy. We together again in our love, now and forever. Now we should come back home to our country. And next month I would like to take you for our honeymoon. We're going to Germany, Stuttgart. Oh, danke schön. And I take you also to Istanbul and Ankara. Thank you so very much, Rama. Now Rama and Sita, they are going back to the country. Rama and Sita, they always together in their love, now and forever. Thank you so very much for the short story of Ramayana.